Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make bread rasgulla. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 6 slices of white bread, 1/4 cup of milk, and 1 cup of sugar. Also, have some cardamom powder and a few drops of rose water ready. Using fresh ingredients is key to achieving that perfect, soft rasgulla texture. This simple recipe is a delightful twist on a classic sweet. Next, prepare your bread and the sugar syrup. Begin by carefully trimming the crust from all 6 slices of white bread. Then, tear the bread into small pieces and blend them with 1/4 cup of milk until a smooth, soft dough forms. For the syrup, combine 1 cup of sugar with 1 cup of water in a pot and boil for about 5 minutes until it thickens slightly. Now it's time to shape and fry your rasgulla. Divide the bread dough into 12 equal portions. Take each portion and gently roll it between your palms to form a smooth, crack-free ball. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat, then carefully drop the bread balls in. Fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown on all sides, ensuring even cooking. Finally, let's soak and serve these delicious treats. Carefully transfer the hot, fried bread balls into the warm sugar syrup. Add a pinch of cardamom powder and a few drops of rose water to the syrup for extra aroma. Let them soak for at least 2 hours, or even longer, to absorb all that sweet goodness. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade bread rasgulla.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.